I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to record cinematic video on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First up, open your camera app. Now, as you can see, I am in photo mode at first, so I'm going to scroll over, and then you're going to be in video mode, and then next scroll over one more time, and you're going to be in cinematic mode. Cinematic mode will automatically focus on a subject and blur the background, and you can tap on different subjects in the viewfinder or on the screen to focus while recording, and then in general, you could also just let the camera auto track different faces and things like that as well. In cinematic mode, you can change the amount of blur by tapping the little f2.0 on the top right, and then changing this slider to have less or more blur based on the number here. So more blur is going to be a smaller number and less blur is going to be a higher number. Tap record and you're good to go.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.